So hi guys, today we're going to see this BlitzWolf BW-BS8, which is an extendable tripod selfie stick, and this comes along with this new feature of this LED fill light. So we're gonna unbox it today. So I just received it from Amazon, and we're gonna see what it's going to be like. So the first important thing, the thing you need to know is that this is the only selfie stick that comes along with LED light. Okay, so this is a selfie stick. It's quite light actually. It's not so heavy. So this is the thing here now. Okay, this looks pretty cool. Now, so what else comes along with this is this small piece. So this is actually used to convert your selfie stick into a tripod stick, right? Like you can remove this part and you can attach this so that you can directly make it as a tripod, or you can use it as a monopod here. Now the first thing if you see about this LED flashlight, right? I guess it's not fully charged. I have to charge it now because I just received it. So this LED thing has having three different modes, that is the light mode, the normal light, and the burst flashing, that is gives the SOS thing. Now if you look into the other features that it has a removable and rechargeable mini remote. So now the best thing about this again is the capacity that this battery gives. Like it gives you close to 40 hours. That means you can click about 50,000 selfies per charge. Right now, along with this is not just a selfie stick. Like I had already told you, this is a selfie stick that comes along with self-portrait, which you can handle, and you can start recording videos and make a live show in a tripod mode. Like you can see the base thing over here, right? So once I remove this button, I guess this tripod thing will come out, and yeah, see, yeah, like even I'm not really sure, I'm just using it for the first time. So let me pause the video and open it. Okay, I've been so dumb actually. So this is it. You just need to pull it out from here and it can form its own stand kind of thing. So I just need to lock it. There's another lock button over here. So once I press this will automatically stand up on its own, and you can start using this as your tripod. Right now, the other features that you need to also see is about this Bluetooth over here. So this is a removable Bluetooth button, right? So you can actually remove this. Ouch, I'm not able to do it in single hand. So usually when you use a selfie stick, the problem is that you get some shaky selfies because you're unable to press the button without shaking the stick, right? But over here they're giving you this Bluetooth thing which I told you about. It gives you about 50,000 selfies per one charge. So yes, this is pretty cool, and yes, you can just remove this part again and use this, and you can make it as your own tripod. So this looks really cool. Another important thing is that previously I had been using a very cheap selfie stick, and the difference that I can find over here is this a grip that gives over here. Like I can feel that it's not going to go easily off my hand. So that's like a very important factor. And the most important part is this rotating thing. So usually in normal selfies, normal selfie sticks, it doesn't come over here, but in this selfie stick you have a 360-degree rotation. So you can rotate it portrait or in the landscape mode by just using this part, by just rotating this part. So it's kind of easy to handle this. And yes, I guess I pretty much covered all the important features of this. If you have any questions, you can drop down in the comment box and I'll be able to help you guys. Thank you. Peace.